Hello, today we're introducing 7-sensor new innovative sensor, the portable soiling sensor that can be a game changer for solar panel cleaning companies. Designed specifically for the needs of PV maintenance teams, this sensor offers a powerful way to measure soiling levels directly on the panels. By providing precise real-time data on panel contamination, the sensor enables cleaning companies to make informed decisions on when to clean the panels, saving both time and resources. Let's dive into how it works and why it's essential for optimizing maintenance efforts. Start by turning on the sensor. Once powered, an LCD screen will guide you through the settings. Here, you'll select the characteristics of the panel and soil details, like panel cell color, and soil color tone. This step customizes the readings to the specific environmental conditions, ensuring each measurement is highly accurate. With these settings in place, the sensor is ready to capture reliable data. The LCD screen includes a counter that displays the operating time of the lamps that should be allowed to stabilize for 5 minutes after being powered on before starting the measurements. To get a full picture of the panel's condition, measurements are taken in 2 stages. First on the soiled panel, then on the same panel after cleaning. Start with the soil panel measurements. Place the sensor at the bottom center of the soil panel. From the LCD screen, select Calculate. In 1 minute, the sensor collects data on the soiling at that point. Next, move the sensor to the center of the panel and select Start Second Soil Calculation. After 1 minute, place the sensor at the top center of the panel for the third reading and select Start Third Soil Calculation. Collecting data from these 3 strategic points allows you to build a complete, accurate profile of soiling across the entire panel. Once the 3 soiled measurements are completed, clean the same panel thoroughly before proceeding. It's important that both soiled and clean measurements are performed on the same solar panel, and that the sensor is positioned as close as possible to the same 3 locations used before. Now continue with the clean panel measurements. Place the sensor again at the bottom center point and select Start First Clean Calculation. After 1 minute, move to the center and select Start Second Clean Calculation. Finally, place the sensor at the top center point and select Start Third Clean Calculation. These clean measurements provide the reference needed to calculate the soiling ratio accurately. After the final clean reading, the sensor processes both the soiled and clean panel data and displays the overall soiling ratio on the LCD screen. This soiling ratio provides a clear indication of when cleaning is necessary, allowing you to prioritize panels that need it most and avoid unnecessary cleanings. This means you can focus resources on areas where cleaning will have the greatest impact, maximizing efficiency and reducing operational costs. Another key advantage is the sensor's portable design. This sensor can be carried across multiple panels and sections of the solar plant, enabling you to gather localized data efficiently. This portability is ideal for testing different sites within large solar installations, giving cleaning companies the flexibility to adapt to different site conditions and panel types. Let's talk numbers. The true advantage of the portable soiling sensor is that it provides accurate data which you can use to calculate financial losses caused by soiling. For example, if your monthly energy production revenue is $10,000 and the soiling ratio measured by the sensor is 3.4%, you are potentially losing $340 each month due to soiling. Imagine the benefits for cleaning companies. By using this data-driven approach, teams can streamline their maintenance schedules, reduce manual inspections, and even generate detailed reports to share with clients. These reports clearly show the impact of your services, proving that cleaning is done when it matters most for optimal energy output. With 7-Sensor's portable soiling sensor, solar panel maintenance becomes easier, smarter, more efficient, and data-driven. Stay tuned for more innovative solutions dedicated to optimizing PV monitoring systems.